In this video, I want to talk about how you can use Webull for day trading. Now you can download the app, or you can use the website, or you can also just use the desktop version. But in this video, I'll just show you the website. You should open up an account and then head over to the web trader. Now in here, you want to select anything that you want to trade. So it can be stocks if you want to, and you can find the stock out here. Then once you found the stock, usually when you're day trading, you're trading on the lower time frames and you're making either one or multiple trades every day. So you just want to find the one that you want to do, press buy or sell depending on how you analyze it. And keep in mind, day trading doesn't work for many people, and you should do this at your own risk. So just keep that in mind. You should be good at trading before you try to do any of these. Otherwise, you can lose a lot of money. So that is basically how it works, guys. Webull is pretty easy. You just want to find in here or under markets. You can also find under screener. You can filter over here, and you can select one by double clicking on it, and you'll head over to the chart. So that is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.